Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial about how to set up ISA account on Trading 212. Now, as you know, ISA account is basically zero commission and it's good for taxes as well in the UK. So this is basically how to set it up. It's very easy and very simple. Now, as you can see, once you log in into your Trading 212, this is how your screen is going to look like, right? Now, if you go and if you click on investing tab right here, you will basically have this right here. You will have the option to switch from invest to ISA. Now keep in mind, ISA is not available for everyone. It's only available for people in the UK as far as I know. And basically, yeah, you just need to click on ISA and then you need to set up your ICA account on Trading 212, right? So this is how it's going to look like, right? You have Trading 212 Invest, which is, buying stocks and ETFs. You have Trading 212 CFD here, and then you have ISA, which is invest tax-free in a zero commission ISA, right? And this is pretty much it, right? Now, keep in mind that, obviously you will have to read all the terms of services and stuff like that, but that's pretty much how you can set up an ISA account on Trading 212. Now, if you have any questions, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.